have thread. You can get it around $5 on Amazon. So I'm gonna start off by this eyebrow. You know what the... Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Shweta. How are you all? कैसे हैं आप लोग? I'm sure आप लोग सब अपने घरों में great होंगे. I'm sure you guys are safe at your homes. So guys, today it's gonna be a very helpful vlog for all you ladies out there, or even some men who do their eyebrows, and because of the coronavirus, because of the COVID situation, so we're changing into from humans to some other race with all these hair growing, and it's difficult to maintain our beauties. So I'm gonna help all of you out there, because what I'm doing today in my vlog, in this beauty vlog, is that I'll be showing all you guys how I have been doing my eyebrows and upper lips just to enhance my face's beauty, which I am sure everybody would be really happy to learn. So let's go. So there's a few things that you would need here. I have this thread. You can get it around $5 on Amazon, of course. So here I would need scissors. I need a spoolie. You can get any spoolie. This is my Prolast Bro Gel. So this one has a spoolie, so I'm using that. If you don't have it, use a small comb. That's fine. We will also need tweezers. Okay. And this is, guys, an amazing item. It's a flawless pen. I'm going to show you how this works. It really helped me out during this COVID. Like, honestly, it has been really long, even before coronavirus, even before COVID. I don't even remember I went to salon to do my eyebrows and upper lips, because I have sensitive skin. Every time I go to the salon, either the thread or the way they pull out, I get like all rashes, or I get cuts. Those cuts that hurt me a lot. So a lot of you may be going through that issue, so that problem will also resolve in this video for all. First thing I'm gonna do is use this thread. So I am gonna just roll it. Cut it. You can cut it with a scissor as well. So yeah, so I'm gonna take around this length so that it fits both of my hands, and I'm gonna knot it here. So I'm gonna go ahead. So this is what I did. So I twisted. So basically you have to make a knot so that you can tie this thread together to make it a like a big circle that you can twist around, and this, guys, will act as our thread tweezer. It will become a tweezer or scissor, but it's more natural to. So what we need to do is you bring them into two hands like that. Okay, each hand takes one corner of this thread, and you would twist it, just like that, so it becomes a crisscross like an X. And this is basically the logic is that your hair will get stuck here, and then when you move it this way, it will pull it off. And see, it takes a little bit of practice. If you guys are new, just keep practicing. Now I have a small mirror here, and I'm going to be looking into the mirror. So I'm going to start with my upper lips first. The trick is that you got to pull your skin, use your tongue to kind of do this. Apply moisturizer to your face. Yay! It looks good. Eyebrows. So this is a spoolie, and I will be using the spoolie to comb first. So make sure you use a spoolie or any comb, or even with your fingers, you can just brush your eyebrows, just so you know what's scissors. It gives me a very clean look to my eyebrows. Just like so. The same thing, same logic we will be using. So I'm going to start off by this eyebrow. You know what, see the straight line? We'll do on the other side. I do use the thread because this skin is okay for me. So if you have thin skin, guys, don't use thread here. But if your skin is fine, just like this facial skin, you can go ahead and use it. So here my skin is thicker, so I'm gonna go ahead to the front like that and press and make sure. Okay, have some marks with the thread. That's fine, they'll go away, but you can see how clean my front look has come out. Just a beautiful, a very helpful pen that I picked up. I actually picked this up from New York Target, and this is called Flawless, if you can see. So this just picks up here and helps me do eyebrows. I've seen this pen available on Amazon as well, so you can order them online. So all you need to do is switch it on. It takes battery, so then, you know, like it starts glowing, and all you do is it picks up here for you. That, and guys, I have practice with tweezers, so I'm going, you know, at my speed. But then if I am happy with the final result I got, look, I'm very happy because I feel this was done super professionally. So the last thing I'm gonna do is just take a little bit of moisturizer and massage my eyebrows. So guys, this is the final effect. I'm sure you loved it. I'm sure you liked it. Just do not forget to share, subscribe, and like my channel. Until then, love to all. Take care. Stay safe. Bye-bye from Shweta.